Yo, this your boy, 8P with 8P Performance. You already know, and if you don't know, you will know soon. But this video is brought to you by one of, I believe he's a subscriber. If not a subscriber, he need to be. He commented on my last video saying that he wanted a HP Tuner's bench harness to show me, to show you guys how to make one. So his name is, I believe, is Mike Inslee. Shout out to Mike Inslee. So, right, so in this video here, we're pretty much going to make, like I said, the standalone bench harness. The things you're going to need is the connector, a power source. I used the plug from one of my Netgear thingies, my Wi-Fi boxes, wire cutters, and some electrical tape, okay? All right, I'm also going to show you guys the pinout so you can know exactly which wire is to what. So let's get started. All right, so the plug I used was from my old Wi-Fi box, and it works pretty good. Find you something that's 12 volts, like I'm using 12 volts at 1 amp for the output. Find something similar to that. I'll put some information in the description below to tell you what ranges of plug power outputs you can use. But if you can find what I have, it's perfect because it works for me. You can also add a switch so you can have key power and constant power, but that's up to you if you want to make it more difficult. I'm only showing you the simple way. Right here, you just plug it up and it works. Okay. The connector itself that connects to the PCM, of course, is going to be the blue connector. Okay. And this works from vehicles, I believe, from 99 to 2007. You know, the blue connector, because, you know, it's always blue connector, blue and red, or blue and green. But the green part doesn't matter. The red part doesn't matter. We're using the blue connector to be able to write into the PCM, okay? All right. So I'm not sure if you can see the numbers behind it, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to post the pinout. I don't know if I'm going to post it on the video itself or put on the description for a link so you can see where the pinouts go, but the pinout is going to help you. Well, if you don't know what a pinout is a schematic or a diagram, however you want to call it, and it tells you everything, where does every wire go, okay? So with this one, all of the wires that are orange, pink, or there's one red one, all of those are power wires, okay? The orange ones would be constant 12 volts. And the pink one and the rest of them are switch power, whatever. But anyway, so you connect all of those wires together. See how I got them all taped into one? You connect them all together, okay? Just like that. You can connect them better than how I did it. Like I said, I'm rushing. It's not made for me to make it perfect, okay? You connect them to that, and you see your ODB2 port is right there. It also has an orange wire. That's the power wire for the OBD2 port. All right. You connect that wire to that, and all of the orange wires, red wires, and the pink wires, you connect all of them together, and then you connect it to that black wire there. That black wire is positive for the connector, the Wi-Fi connector for the output power. That's positive. All right. I'm going to show you how you know if it's positive or negative on the back of the thingy I'm going to show you when the video comes up. But you connect those. That's power. Positive power. The other black wire is negative power. You know, positive and negative, you guys know. You should know the basics before you even attempt to do this. But positive with all the power wires, negative is to ground it all out. Okay, so here you can see right there, you see where it says patented. Under patented, it says it has a negative circled and then the positive. It shows you what side is what side. You follow that with the connector itself, because I cut the tip of the connector so you would know. Okay, and that's how you would know which side is positive, what side is negative, and all of these things. All right. So now since you know what's positive and what's negative, then you connect everything together. So you connect the positive with all the, like I said, once again, you connect the positive with the orange, the red and the pink wire. And then you connect the negative with the ground, of course. I'm gonna let you look at it so you can see what's going on. So that negative is connected with all the negatives. There's only 2 negatives coming out of it. See, the negative is connected to the ODB2 port as well. The OBD2 port has 2 negatives. Some cars you can use 1, but I use 2, so that any vehicle I'm tuning, it'll just connect it automatically. See there? The ground is grounded perfectly. Let me know if you guys are liking this video so far, okay? I'm trying to figure out how to make these videos more interesting for you guys. Comment below and tell me what I should have done to make the video more informative, more entertaining. You know, just let me know. Just I'm trying to get a hang of this thing. Please help with my subscribers. What do you want to call yourselves? Not fans, because there's no fan stuff here. This is, I guess, my people. Y'all gonna be called my family, I guess. But anyway, so you see how all of those things there, you see the numbers, right? You see 34, 53, whatever. Well, that's a 57. I said 34. You see the numbers on there. On a pinout, it'll show you the numbers that it goes to. Also, on the ODB2 port itself, it also has numbers on it too. If it'll focus in to see the numbers, can you see it? Hold on. Right. Okay, you see numbers? It starts from 1 on the right side, and it goes 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, I think till 10 or something like that. But there's numbers on there too. All right. You see everything is there. Everything's connected. Make sure you check all of your wires. You double check with the pinout. You double check with everything before you plug it up. Okay? So once you double check with everything, you plug it up, then you will have power. And it will connect. Let me see. What else should I tell you guys? Pretty much, like right there, you see the black goes with the black, which is ground. Works perfectly. Never had an issue with it. I've tuned so many computers, so many PCMs with this here. Made so much money. You'll be surprised. So you can use this to tune anybody else's computer. You can use it just to do yours while it's out of the vehicle. You know, so there you have it. Please like and subscribe. Comment below to tell me how I did on this video if you want more videos like this. Oh, another thing too. Thank you to the guy, Mike. I forgot your last name, how you got it. My bad. But shout out to him for giving me the idea to make the video. Hopefully he's a subscriber. If not, hopefully he watches it again and subscribes. So